Here's another most asked question in the technical interview of OOPS. That is, what is the definition of inheritance and what are the various types of inheritance? Thus, inheritance is a property of a OOPS which allow a one class derive all the properties of the another class. Or we can say that inheritance is a mechanism in which one class acquires the property of another class. For example, a child inherits its traits of his or her parents. With inheritance, we can reuse the field or the methods of the already existing class. Inheritance also facilitates the reusability of the code which already derived from the existing class. Now, in another word, we can also define inheritance. That is, when there is a relationship between two classes and inheritance to places. Like, there is a doctor class by which and surgeon class has a relation, that is a doctor. Surgeon has a relationship with the doctor class. Now, Java has four types of inheritance. First, single inheritance. Second, multi-level inheritance. Third, multiple inheritance. And fourth, hybrid inheritance. Now, there is another most asked question, that is, what is the difference between multi-level inheritance and a multiple inheritance? In multi-level inheritance, there is a chain of a base class and a derived class. That is, derived class of a base class became the base class of a newer one. Here is an example. There is a class A, which is a base class for class B. Here B is a derived class for class A. Now in second level, B class will be the base class for the newer class, that is C. In another instance, or in a simple note, there is a class A which is a base class for B, and B which is a derived class for A became the base class for the newer, that is a class C. But in multiple inheritance, there is more than one base class and a single derived class. But in Java, there is a big but, that is, Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance only participate in Java using the interfaces, not with the classes. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance over the classes, but it can be participate in interfaces. Thank you for the today's session. We will discuss later.